Today is October 24, 2022, and I am Tony the Bull back with another technical analysis update for NewsBTC. Bitcoin continues to be boring AF. But the theme of this video is all about what happens when the notoriously volatile cryptocurrency gets dull. All downtrend and no rallies makes Bitcoin a dull boy. Don't mind the shining quotes. It's almost Halloween and crypto winter has driven me a bit mad. In terms of what little price action there is, Bitcoin was once again rejected by the 50-day moving average, which isn't a great sign. BTCUSD daily is still hanging on above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen on the Ichimoku, which is otherwise positive. The top cryptocurrency is still below the cloud, which is now within striking distance for bulls. The Bollinger Bands just keep getting tighter, showing that explosiveness is coming soon enough, and this ongoing lull is just the calm before the storm. Daily Bollinger Bandwidth now shows the lowest point since October 2020, right before the bull run breakout. Prior to that, the bands got tight just ahead of the collapse to the bear market bottom in 2018. On weekly timeframes, Bollinger Bandwidth is the tightest since November 2018, where Bitcoin dropped another 50% to its eventual bottom. All instances before that, when the bands got this tight, led to an enormous rally. Monthly time frame shows a very unusual phenomenon. The Bollinger Bands are now expanding after being some of their tightest ever. Rising after such a lull in volatility has in the past always triggered a tremendous bull run. Is the third time the charm? After this weekend's weekly close, Bitcoin bulls have now closed 3 full weeks with a confirmed bullish crossover on the LMACD. Compared to the 2018 bear market bottom, we would only be just another week or so away from making a large move upward. However, a comparison with the 2015 bear market bottom instead shows that although new lows might not arrive, there could be twice as long to wait before the bottom is confirmed as in and the range is left behind. Other possible signals on weekly timeframes that could suggest we've seen the bottom already is the Heiken Ashy candles that started to turn green just now. Last night's weekly also closed the 2-week timeframe. On the 2-week, stochastic RSI has held a retest of the oversold zone and is starting to move upward. During the 2018 bear market bottom, this signal was lights out for Bitcoin bears. The 2-week Fisher transform has also started to flip bullish, but it will take another 14 days or so to confirm the signal. The Fisher transform is used to find major turning points in markets, but works best on the highest timeframes. Moving to the monthly time frame, we can see that even here the Fisher has very little room left, and if Bitcoin hangs around here for another week or so, the monthly should begin to flatten, signaling a possible turnaround in price action. No, this last chart isn't Bitcoin, it's the DXY dollar currency index. I chose to end on this note after showing the Fisher transform on the monthly and how it would be used to find a clear turning point in Bitcoin. The monthly Fisher transform on the DXY is at the most extreme reading in its entire history of the index, dating back more than 50 years. The Fisher transform is based on a standard deviation formula. At such an extreme reading, the probability of the DXY continuing its rally has less than a 0.01% chance. Keeping in mind that the dollar could see a sharp decline, it is worth being open-minded about a potential Bitcoin bottom happening within the next several weeks, if not already. That's it for today's analysis. I'm Tony the Bull Spilotro signing off. Self-education is the best investment you can make. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and check out newsbtc.com.